Putin observed the power of NATO missile. The Russian Federation has a mountain of corpses. There is no antidote to it. The need to intercept Storm Shadow missiles puts the Russian air defense in a difficult position, since their operators may not know how to distinguish such missiles. Supplies of long-range Storm Shadow missiles to Ukraine can make Russia waste air defense shells and even hit its facilities, which is a serious problem and a real headache for Moscow. The need to intercept British Storm Shadow missiles puts the Russian air defense forces in a difficult position, since their operators may not know how to distinguish such missiles. This can lead to the waste of shells or even strikes on their aircraft. Jack Watling, a researcher at the British Royal Joint Institute for Defence Studies, writes about this. According to Watling, the British Storm Shadow warhead is specially designed to destroy fortified targets. The missile itself has a design that significantly complicates its detection by air defense systems. Ukraine has received a few Storm Shadow missiles, so the UPU needs to choose targets carefully. The priority should be the areas where Ukraine is going to conduct offensive operations, the researcher writes. At the same time, the possible effect of the delivery of British missiles will not be limited only to hitting targets far from the front line, Watling notes. According to the expert, Russian air defense operators do not know how to accurately distinguish Storm Shadow from other targets. Together with other Western weapons delivered to Ukraine, this missile will be able to confuse Russian defense systems, which forces Russia to spend more ammunition.